so you're going to stay at this side. So what you're going to do is, when he comes back, you grab one side with the string, and you both lay out the string at the same pace, and then at the end just roll. You don't have to go fast with it. Do it straight.
Mm-hmm.
Cool?
As I would.
As you would normally, yes. All right. Well, I'm going to say ready, set, go, right? Very nice. Very straight, too. Beautiful. It's wonderful. I think we're going to have to make a pot of coffee while we wait. Yeah, that doesn't even look close. It's so not fair.
And it looks crisper.
What?
Looks much more crisp.
Oh, yeah. It's very hard to read the... Yeah, I think you have to use a time lapse with the rake. Yeah, and you think you're done, but now you have to do the
the hardest part.
hardest part.
That's the only part that I'm good at, though.
You know, and especially on a 4x4, it's so hard to see.
Mm-hmm. Easier to see standing up with the light, but bending over it close up.